Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to add phone number in your Google Meet. Adding your phone number has been a new feature that is launched by Google Meet recently. To do so, first of all, go to your Google Meet. Here you can see my Google Meet is now opened. In order to add phone number, what you're going to do is first of all go to your profile. In order to do so, tap on the profile icon that you can see on the top right corner right here. So after tapping on it here, you will be able to see add your phone number on the bottom right here. Simply just tap on it. So in here, you can see I have already added my number. In order to add new number, simply just tap on add a new number. And then here you can see this will pop up. Simply just type down your number. After typing down your phone number, tap on continue. And then a verification code will be sent to your SMS. You can see a verification code has been sent by Google. Tap on it, and this is my verification code. You can see this is my verification code 879467. So after typing down your verification code in here, you can see your number has been now verified. When you tap on your profile icon, here you can see now your number is all set in there. And like this, you can add your phone number in your Google Meet. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.